Taufik Media wiji ogamba otya yona gyosinzira okubanga otulaba nkwataganyeko omulundi guno ne Nalulungi waffe w'omu industry Viana Hindi.
Yes.
And she's an MC. Straight out from NBS after 5. But then like we abantu, then we proceed.
Okay. My name is Viana Indi, the vibe queen, the only vibe queen. Boyogera Viana Indi dibateliwedde.
The Viana Hindi.
Dibateliwedde. Viana Indi, the vibe queen.
The vibe queen.
Yes.
It go aliyewo abantu bebali.
Abantu bebali.
According to the vibe you have.
Yes.
You have the vibe.
I follow vibe queen,
oh my god.
No, like I actually keep on saying this until if we ever meet and we don't vibe, sinze buzibu. Go buzibu.
Cause go kola omulimu go.
No, like never, like even no more like day-to-day life. Kusanga ne tuta vibing. Since something is wrong with you, since. But of course, I'm a media personality. I'm called active in a radio. I work on Next Radio 106.1.
Okay.
Buli lunnaku Monday to Friday kuva ssaawa 4 mpaka ssaawa 7. Next branch show bagiyita. Then nkola ne ku NBS after 5 Monday mpaka Friday 11 mpaka ssaawa emu.
Okay.
And I'm the MC. I'm an MC. I'm a hype girl. I'm an events host. I'm called a corporate events. What. I'm a fashionista. I love fashion.
Oh. Era wenyino tugenda otandikira.
I'm a dancer. I'm a voiceover.
Okay. Kale. Kicks by Ame wamu ne Ame Fashions be bakataddemu ensimbi as well. Kicks by Ame bali wali eri ku Coach Tower opposite CPS. Batunda engoye ennungi ezimalirayo ddala wamu n'engato ezimalirayo ddala. Gwabetaaze bujagenda ali ku Coach Tower level 2 shop number 340. Engoye zaabwe ennungi nnyo ddala era nga bw'otulaba bwetunekaanekanye. Ate nga n'omukyala nga bw'agambe she's a fashionista as well. Indi. Badde nkusaba with due respect. Osooka oggyeko shades ezo abantu basobole okurecognize ng'obulungi ennyo ddala.
Okinkoze naye. Tewali kyakukola.
Vibe queen badde nkusaba. N'omuntu ali eyo ng'aga bw'oli ayinza okugamba Hindi.
Si yeye. Yenze kati. Yenze original.
Obulamu bugamba ki endongo egamba ki?
Njeri mpola. Tugikwasaganya mpola. Muzibu but mpola.
What's really make it hard? Like to be hard?
For starters, I could say economy generally, sinungi. But then on top of that, there's a lot of competition. Then echilala, things keep on changing every now and then. So katino bedanga, you have to keep up to date. Bulikasera. Nga ekintu kyo tekiri kugumu olina okuba ng'okyusa otambula n'omulembe but njogera entuufu.
Okay. Ngera bwogere for the starters twagala tumanye Hindi ayingira atya endongo. Hindi yavaawa. Actually Hindi wavaawa. Cause from out of the blue n'ogwawe bu n'okwatira wakati n'otandikirawo emisinde abruptly.
It's crazy because actually again, where do I start from? Kale, okuddayo kwemabega. When I was done with my high school, ngamazokola senior 6 yange. Nali awo ngandi idol sina nebyakola. Netugenda mu lockdown.
Lockdown yasooka.
Yasooka. Because nali nakamala form 6. Kati before actually ngandi tunabagigendamu. Nakamala senior 6 kandi mu vacation yange. Nalabanga nnyo nze ndi mulabi wa TV. Okuna kuzikyagira nnyo because of emirimu but nakula ndaba nnyo TV nnyo kati nga njagala nnyo abantu b'oku TV bye bakola
like presenting.
Yeah. Initially sachina mu mutwe gwange nti I'll ever become a TV presenter. Sachina kati nga nze njagala kuba musawo. Because I remember I even told my dad sometime daddy njagala koma senior 4 and then so many dancing course so that nsobola pursuing obusawo mandaba ku senior 6 ate bichi senior 6 ate so Kampala University naye wano nga ngamba nze nja kutandikira wano then ngende nga upgrading mpola ngamba no first your senior 6 bonomala then you're free to do anything kati on vacation love wejja. Have you ever seen something ngokyagala nenga mu mutwe obere ogamba ebyo by'abantu ngondoza bakumanyi like someone like
Only
me
famous.
like someone like me I don't see myself there because mu society on bantu benali mbera nabo natamuli entertainer tamuli no mwalimbye oba kitegera kyengamba nenga nkuze nzina mu church nga nkuze actually very active in church even at school manzina nyimba byona nenga seraba ku TV. Yeah nga it's something you love nenga ugamba it's very hard nga tokirowoza nako gamba asekisobole kyaba superstar kintu bwekityo. So after my senior 6 love nekula nyonyonyonyo kati ningamba naye manyi kankola nalinga ndaba New Teen Nation eyo show yabati yakolako nga njagala nyonyo era nga njagala nnyo Kristo kyakola ngamba engeri Kristo like jarelating amuna like
Kristo
it's
Panda.
beautiful. Yeah nimugamba you know what I'm going to the shop gonna gula something. She's like hey, it's okay. So nengende umukubo nemukubira nenzija esimu yange nemukubira because I used to have a phone during my vacation. Ngamba hi Kristo nenga antidde nga hi Kristo, how are you? My name is Viana. I'd really love to be on Teen Nation. Nangamba you have to go to Serena ononye producer wamita Idris Mato.
Teen Nation ngogenda kola coach kuzina presenting
channel kati nangamba ina kati bwe yachinga nangamba haka
by then ngoli mu vacation ya senior 6.
Yes nangamba ko ina gena ku Serena ononye producer wa Teen Nation bajja kola ki ya joku ya maze sobola kuyamala ngende just to present koze kale kati bachinga manengamba oh my god. And then one time era nave waka ningamba mami mami ngenza kunonyako ku mulimu
kugamba Kristo Panda yakuwa esuubi
no nada buyangamba ekyo ningamba anyways usanga waliyo hope ngende ngeze let me try my luck. So I told my mom ngenza kunonya mulimu you know in vacation how you feel like your idol. So yeah I told my mom I'm going to look for a job ningamba oh that's so nice of you gendo nonya mulimu ngatamanyi mulimu kino ngenda kunonya
obulanga gakwadde bwiga ahead
angambye it's okay genda that's nice cause we don't get to tell you
no gamba kalabaye
ngamba like I had
what came into your mind?
I actually thought anejeko like ngamba but you know what sigena ko nino kudda nezirayo
no koma wanserena
yes ngamba nimugamba bane wampadde number naye number eri out of service teriko nangamba let me see the number I gave you agenda ojira banga yamiseze me number nangamba oh I'm sorry nazam nampe number into nangamba nkubira ku Friday nimukira Friday kati namukira ku Friday ngamanyi oba agenda kumbuuza biki nangamba jangu enjo
so no munnyonnyola kiki wali oyagala
ne the road line na munnyonnyodde the first time when I meet njagala nambuuza wali ina jwali okoze mugasi na general
ndi mu vacation ya senior 6
nangamba okay kale I think there's a buyer like yagala the way I approached him kubanga I'm coming from nowhere and then I'm approaching him so nangamba Friday nangamba jangu enjo okole notiyangamba kola yangamba jangu enjo
at Serena
yes ujikere Saturday shore like kati nenzija nemsindikira nengoye ze nali ngenda okwambala koze ngamba zisindike it's my first time ubera TV nenzibasindikira then nenzija that kati nali ngive waka sabagamba nabagamba bwenzi please tune in ku Teen Nation kati batwaye tugira manganyo ku Saturday kati ne bateekako like omanyi it's not something you actually I didn't tell anyone so nzilingenda ngendo tuka wano Kristo katikoro teyaliwo Idris he was very sick so Kristo nangamba jangu yo Viana konze yes ambiana next thing bantadde ku mic kwanza bangenda college nangamba you ready honestly speaking I wasn't ready
ngatomanyi kyogenda kukola
yes nena mugamba kimu I'm ready nangamba
nga even tebakuprepinze na muntu oba ogenda kukola
bangambye yambuza kimu are you ready like ye yali amanyi bangambye ekyokukola
Kristo
yes kati ngana nga tesagala mulaga nti tebangambye Nemugamba yes I'm ready. Nangamba you're sure? Konze yes. Nangamba tugenda kwogera kuki. Kati me I'm someone like I'm always like updated of what is happening in the entertainment industry, you know. And by that time, one of those stories is trending. Nemugamba novimbo pio bwali buze. Nemugamba tugenda kukola story wait. Nangamba oh it's okay. Cameras rolling. 1, 2, 3 on air. Street. Nenkola. Masimu game nafuna. Oh mukama katonda.
On that very day.
Yeah, like so many people were calling me, they were watching actually, surprisingly. And so after that, we go into lockdown.
The second lockdown.
Saturday.
The second lockdown.
Saturday tugira lockdown. Ne batugamba tutambula. Nawulira ezo omukuba sengulumwa ne ngamba. Omuntu okolayo atya mulundi gumu ku TV ne mugamba. Nemani nchivaako.
But lockdown abantu bali batambula, most especially.
Nze kati naye sina engagement.
Possible, yeah.
But entertainers, but remember, I've just like nkoze yo mulundi gumu. So immediately after lockdown, ningamba omanyi. Sigena power just like that.
Kanguzeke mabega katono nnyo. After bagambye nti already bakutadde ku mpewo. Kiki wali presenting eri abantu.
Abantu naina like ngaba nze muntu njenga nnyo better updated of what is happening. That has always been. Manyi ba celebrity chebakoze. Celebrity gundi yakoze bwati. Celebrity anadala aba outside countries. Because nabanga nnyo entertainment all the time. Red carpet, simanya zina awards, simanya bino bichi. Ngera bane baba agalumanya info abasta.
Bajjawo.
Nze plug. Kati yawo like that was easy. I take internet mo high school yange nali nga nsoma nkola news ku assembly. So kati ngamba ready namugamba chima I'm ready. Namza stories namwa stories alinga satu. Nangamba it's okay tugende gwa gendo leading. Nentandika. Nejukira bwe nalinge waka I used to like rehearse. The serious nganti ngena ku TV. But just ngabugamba just ko amuko vibe. Yeah. So lockdown begwa nenkomawo. Kati wenkomawo twaliwo basatu. Nze Ashley, Ashley ne Amito mama in TikTok.
TikTok, yes.
Yes. Awo musanga, it was my very first time musanga. Kati musanga ntufuka nabamikwano. Nyenye like type things. Then katufina basatu nga batutegekera sport ya Chris Panda. Ne tubeera nga tujja we come every day naye nga tetukola. Idris natugambe ekintu kimu, make sure when you come here you make but celebrity actually when I was Sanga, it was my first time meeting Mikey Bender, John Black, because John Black knew I'm hosting recently. I remember the first day I met you.
Really?
Yeah, nation. Really? Yes, I remember. Wow. I was thinking that I winged and Natugamba, whenever they come, make sure you take pictures with them, make sure you interact with them, make sure they know you, like you introduce yourself to them. And I'm trying to go to Wanga, your 5-minute spot. Okujja n'okolayo dakika 5 ngalenga tukola it was rehearsing bwe batyo mpola and then batukanga balina kati okulondako omuve n'abasatu naye nga kati n'abasatu yenze ali less privileged. Amito yalina a very good following on TikTok. Abantu bangi bamufollowing.
Ne by then TikTok yaliwo.
Yali big TikTok.
Yaliwo ye.
TikTok wano mu ggwanga. Kati nga she has a very big following, not only on TikTok but Instagram. Ashley nga amanyi ba celeb bonna. Ate nagenda nakola Kenya nakomawo nga kati mulalamu uko nanti. Then nganze twali amanyi. The following yange ku Instagram nga I had about 2K followers. Enkumi bbiri bezo kaze. Ate nga nazo nazifunira mu yo space.
Je wakozesa okujja ku TV.
Okujjanga ku TV obudakika oshegeera. Nga bana nga sina ebyaddala. Nga sina gamba nti baselebono bana egwe mayibo nabimanyi. Bayigidda like attend to we are not like close what we are mikwano, but I just like ntikati now ntikati nasologa man no serebo mkwano gwan nilinga sibalina era so nebibawo ne balonda. So Amito went to Amito moved out of the country because sigala onze me Ashley ne balonda Ashley nengenda mu depression lwakuba good thing before nga tebana batulonda DJ Deno yali DJ What Nation at one time namukubiranga olwo tukyajja ebyo ebyobwebyo bati ngamba your voice is very good, it could actually sound very well on radio. Ngamba kyakasa ngamba yeah nantwala ku Galaxy no twetukola naye kati nga bwomukubira ngo ena byomubuuza bwe bati bya work related stuff like that ngamba eddoboozi nga ddungi bisobola okukola ku radio
akutute ku Galaxy
nangamba omanyi kati nze ngenda kwogererayo ku Galaxy nengadde nokyakasa nangamba yeah nantwala Galaxy nayogera ne Timo nayogera nabagamba asobola okukola nibangamba lwako problem is you use too much English nangamba no tujafuna ngeri gyetumugira leero ne bampa show yange eyalingayo in the morning Afro Vibe ku Saturday nkola ne Luwidi nentandika obeera nga nkera nga gyensooka ku makya from 7 to 10 then emana enzija wano nenkolayo budakiika bwange 5 neera nga nina okujja mangu sirina kujja late then after katwano ku Serena ne balonda Ashley then I stopped coming nagendako ne mu depression banange kubanga natunula my time byonna kitegeera ate nenkomekera nga no one has chose me off.
So your parents at home?
My parents are actually my parents reached a time whereby they were tired of funding. Because remember they were giving me money every single day to come here.
Hey.
You understand? To buy clothes. I'd buy outfits every week. So they reached a point whereby they were tired. They're like, you need to find a job to literally like things, and I didn't give up. So after then thank God, as I was actually living here, I'm depression, what. I have a friend of mine, my friends, Benasanga, like social media, what. So Ibra or Trip Addicts, then Andelea, Beautiful People, Andrew, Banyamba Konyo, Kati, they had an event, Jebakola, Yungia Mawe, yes, the thick music, but an event Jeba organizing, Nebanteka Konga MC, that was my first ever time of MCing. Nengenda zijukira ne sente za answer sula. They paid me 100k.
200k.
100. Yes. My very first MCing gig. Ninga just sigena kurao cause nakola over 1 hour. Ne 1 hour like at wida. But they paid me. They were pushing us. So after one day I was there ngandi just sina nyebya kola ndina wakan ne sister wangu. Then Andrew, Beautiful People now nangamba. At NBS, they're looking for a girl, again of replacing as a hard to SNL.
Kati hao wenyini katono nyo. By the time wamala ku Galaxy, because we saw you at Galaxy, wamala yaka banga chi?
1 year.
To Galaxy?
Because about Galaxy, we evangelize radio and the sign and like I didn't know anything about radio. Before they even put me on air, they first taught me how to use the console, how do I open a link, how do I keep my voice calm, all those things. Yeah, I've never gone to school or bigger radio TV. I'm just right now on Liko campus. Like in the Musoma Visome.
Liko campus?
Yeah, Victoria University.
Okay.
So, like, yeah, bebanjigirize benakati. Bwenali juke kati, bwemvano ku Serena, nasigala nchakola ku Galaxy. That morning show was the only show I work. They just facilitated me transport as well. Kati, then my friend Nangamba, banonyomola ku NBS, what. But when they call you, because me I put your name, then recommending.
Nenga stilo chakola ku Galaxy.
Yes. Andrew, Beautiful People, you're recommending. Nangamba, when they call you, we just tell them you can work. Nangamba, chuma is a story of your you can only cause a gig you can whoever quit a gamma you can. Cause they okay, no worries. So Tara calls me from next week and they've told me you're such a cause yes I can. I'm gonna come to NBS. NBS and then Sanga the late Dora. She did an interview konze nangamba waliokoze nemkamba sikolanga ko antuna, but I was just going to NTV ku Estegel. Jenaigides like madenga literally akola screen testing. mbadde akola internship. So nemulaga kati every time we twakolanga shows wano nga clip of Mutereka, I would keep them in my phone.
Okay.
So nemulaga I showed them to her. Ngamba, oh wow, this is actually nemulaga na clip je nasemba okola wano. I remember that. I think that was like one of my best clips. There was Nenjimulaga. Oh wow, this is nice. Douglas, yeah, it was my first time meeting Douglas, and I used to like him so much.
Because walingo mulako.
Yeah. Hi Dougie, my name is Viana.
Yeah, inspiring and inspiring and
one of those people.
I
have like so many people that inspired me to join, but he was one of them. And Katimgamba, oh my God, Douglas, Katina mulaga ko wako I think when they were having like a discussion about Mutwale, Nimagamba, yeah, I think she would work.
Okay.
Next thing, Bampise, sign a contract. Wow. Yeah.
Katingo mwaka eno bamaze okugamba nti munaye eno ku Galaxy. Then after so no kole no
katandika Galaxy naina katandika I think like nguza nkoze like 2 months 3 months
eno ne bakusigninga
ku NBS ne bampa contract
nga wakamala eri 2 months
3 months around 2 months 3 months around there nga naina like ngana katandika ngina kumpeo then eri ne ban signing ne bampa contract Ankati bamala okupa contract nga nkola shame yuka nali nkola SNL ya Saturday
yes
nga cause one signing at same time ne Mr Henry ne DJ Kathy
yes
then ne tugatako ne MC Isaac
nga ogenda ku msinga
just kati nga bonna aba basatu baludde mu industry nze kacherewa I even remember my very first show. Nari ntide ngamba no you can do this. So what you call it?
Guess nga MC.
Yes, just to hype. Like olanga SNL where the lockdown so kachetwalinga tukola. Ninga nze juke mbade sibikola na bikola. I've always wanted to be those bougie just flap TV names. Kati tuna basho jenso so funa ya hyping. Because anyways kati nga sije njagala but in my head it's not like but it's not what I wanted to do on TV. I wanted to like sit down, stuff like that. But no, let me start here. Njakuva I get something bigger. If Baba asobodo kompa this contract, my first job mfinye contract, it makes sense. Akati, then I'll ramaliriza bulungi. De bamala okumpa contracts. Nebiranga kola in a week nkola bulungi gum.
In a week.
Kola Saturday. Kuba Saturday in the morning ko Galaxy. Ne mulundi gumu ku NBS.
NBS ngokola Saturday. Galaxy ate.
Nayo nali kola ku Saturday kumacha.
Nga shote zikwatagana.
No kuba no yali yakumacha nnyo sawa emu mpaka sawa 4 ezokumacha. Then eringa ya kiro sawa 4 mpaka sawa 6.
Okay.
So then benza awo nentani kofunayo bu bag gigs obo kwemsinga we mpola. Then from there Tiwa Savage radio J Uganda. I'm like I'm never singing single. So NBS was like a female takeover. But Bachikolanga it's like woman like bagala ko bakazi boka. Ngaba MC ba official MC Alishira Salter ne Miss Didan. Then ganaba yimbi bona bakazi bona then Tiwa Savage from Nigeria. Then NBS is a great Kaneko airports. You don't have fun and you're not appearing. So they even chose me to be there representing MC. By now, Koshida Salter, but while NBS set, Bagamba, Guabajikola, Danzana Gamba, Vienna, I want you to do the same. So yeah. Then, I remember very well. Narina tried to call 2 hours as Amazon Galaxy. That day, Shore Vedayo, Tiwa Savage, Nali Mukono, Jitwali Kusomero, Enkuba Netonya, Nanyinja. Katinga Tenze, Ali Mukulidinga Gama Somero. I'm their official hype person for the schools. This school, I have to go back to Kampala. Nkole show ya Tiwa Savage. Kobo, it's okay. So I left Mukono around 6. I told me that road. I remember there were certain people bali bajanga ba DJ. Then manga bali no koma wena. You guys will drop me somewhere. At least I grab a judge. Ngende cause ngedi set yange ya sawa. Imne dachika 15. okiwulira
Yeah.
gye baataddeko and you know me kati ngaze mutuuka ngamba saawa emu n'edakiika 15 n'obba nga ntuuse enobudde saa 12. I don't know how it happened, but it was a jam. They went to Sampaka, I think around Munyonyo. Then I grabbed the judge and then to Kampake Wakenienga. Then choose a Katingeno Tuka, and Kubaria to Nino. Nga top Jenino Kwambala. Etonia.
Etoniazi.
Like Kubayaji Kubi.
Okay.
Then got my sister, and you know what? Come what may. This is the top I'm putting on. So I'm gonna choose because outfit already I can't think of anything else right now. And what are we going to do? I really don't know, but together we're going to iron it so that I can go. Not ironing a chap. Ninjambalanga. No, like Ninjambalanga take. You know when you iron it, take a lambo, ikaze, but also will jam.
Very wet somehow.
Yeah, a very cold. So. Nenjitekaku nena wabode yandete namugamba I want you to count 5 minutes bweziwera ohutinge so that I move out tugende ngoro sawa I think zali ndo sawa ngemu na mvuga bambi yavuga bulungi mpaka netuke Rugogo nali najanziruka netikani mugamba my name is Viana ngamba let's check the man checking erinyanga kweli mampa media pass nenziruka nentuka katendo tuka ku event. The music is playing, people are already there, but the MCs are not yet there. Because I'm quite idea to any. Katingalo Mackenzie, Mackenzie Kela. Yeah, then Fenon, the body was on a stage. What. There's a certain lady at the better cool sound, a better cool backstage. Fenon. I'm forgetting her name. Then there's some other guy called Innocent. Yeah, they were Fenon. Yes. Kati. Then they went to cover bounce and Mangamba go can call Chiwano. Mangamba, was representing NBS. Yeah. So they're like, you know, media passenger, can Mangamba get to again Chakasanti or NBS. Katimaiti wanabakomba ID, ID angtana bakufuluma. Kanenga na atwakwa SNL. Gonna join Mbalaga.
Okuba proving anti munai nze representative wa NBS.
Yes. So kati after that neban kiriza nempitawo. Kati Innocent ngamba yes ngamba I'm here, I'm supposed to do an NBS set but kati bamngaze sima ina byebakola ku events nangamba kati bakela nga bali abantu bazza naye tewali MC kati nga bali confused. Innocent ngamba Kana kazi kagami ka representing NBS. I think it was to take a college. Katandi. Katikela naja nangamba, hi, how are you? Nangamba, I'm good. Nangamba, you're the one representing. I say, yes, I'm representing Ninga. Nangamba, okay. So what we're gonna do? You're going to start. Nangamba.
Luno.
I'm gonna kunkola. Katwali ku like yampita because yali wagulu ku stage nenyambuka amadala nengenda wali kati yakola nampa mic nangamba you can do this nansukuma ino ateka ko lights. It sounds like a movie but that's what happened actually.
Notandiko kuba enguliko
kati byateka kama talanga na mic kati obvious case kero tulanga abantu bantunulide kati you have nothing to do nangamba gambi Lord give me that grace nentandika So after later on, that is when Sheila Salter we had kati then nenzirayo era ogula kati Sheila Alicia yali akola set ye nenzirayo muganda wa dance bamwita Melissa kati nabalabanga bazina ngampita ngenjagala kuddayo because wali ogusose nyumiddwa kati ngamba bampadde akasera katono ate kati abantu beeyongedde njagala kuddayo bandabeyo okumulala go kati Melissa nandaba ngebyadala ndagira ddala then nampa mic because mic zali wali nga zili najukwata ngamba genda ningina ninko muziki but I think so many people saw me that day. From there ninkola I did most of the big shows. Ninkola Kiss Daniel, ninkola Afropaloza yaliko Rema,
yes
ya Talent Africa,
yes
ninkola Blankets and Wine. Blankets and Wine zona zikolezo gomwaka ninkola Then from there, I could say the Lord has
Mm.
been good. That is 2023. Then 2024 is actually, oh wow, 2024 is when now I get onto After 5.
Nga NBS bakusigninga ng'oli eri mu radio
SNL,
just.
yeah,
Yali mu
just SNL.
Yes.
Yes, but then after, kati awo tuyingira 2024, ne bangamba, I want to give you more roles. Yeah.
Bien. Omuntu ayinza okugamba nti you joining NBS. Like you didn't struggle that too much.
I didn't. Honestly speaking, I didn't struggle, but I'm
Not
just grateful.
actually not only NBS.
Everywhere I've not struggled. I've just been favored and graced by the Lord for me to be where I am today.
Tewabonaabonako yadde.
Sijja kulinda.
Should we say nti munnaye gaali magezi go?
Si magezi gange, but kisa kya Katonda. And I think, you know, I always believe if something is yours, it will always be yours. Like, it will always find you. See, now, like, you need to work hard. You still need to work hard. Because for that, now, at time eyo, babampera After 5. Bangamba, I want to give you After 5 and next radio. Chulira. Ne Galaxy ne ngamba, kati you know what? Otukoledde twagala kuwa top 7.
Bakwongera amadaala.
Yeah. Abiseera ebyo ndowooza ne NRG yali yakajja naye negamba tukwagala. Kati nga luli nali nkaaba sirina wati naye kati nina support 3.
Bino byonna bimaze okubaawo. Galaxy eyagala kwongeza, NBS eyagala kuteeka ku NBS After 5.
Yeah.
NRG naye ekwetaaga nga the decision is yours.
Era nagendako ne muka depression yawa katonotono. Ngandi confused ngendewa. I asked like a couple of people, my close people, and bangamba, no, what you have to do is think for yourself. Like going to Kenya, you have to sit down,
take a deep breath, think.
Yes, and see what works for you and where do you see yourself, stuff like that. Then yeah, you know the After 5.
But tunuulira industry yaffe eno nga bweri, because trust me, abakulu b'ebibatu, abatezi b'ebibatu bayitirivu.
Bangi nnyo.
Tewafunamu that
me?
Because oli okugamba nti mune okuteeka wano. Because bwe biri.
I swear. Nze nganze Viana Indi. I don't know if other girls have faced it, but me, I've not. Yeah, because I always mean business. Every time I come into someone's presence, or every time you see me, it's nzijanga and straightforward.
Strict business.
Sit down, kati, no. I'm straightforward.
By then,
Jakugamba, nti, oh, hi Ibra. I'd really love to work with you. Webati. Bongamba nti kati tata ngamba, you know what? It's not possible. Maybe some other time. Nze straightforward. Sit down. Because I don't know if other girls have faced it. It's very unfortunate, but me personally, I've not faced it.
Kwegamba tebakutunuzaako mu mbuga z'amateeka nti oba oyagala kino tusooke kukola kino tubeeko tutuuka.
And I've also had a chance. In all the offices I've entered, I've found females, most of them. And even the males I've found there, I'm always like, Stimani, but Zenga, the such face.
Waita ku museetwe. Waserengeta buserengeti wasanga mu busozi bwonna.
Ora tushikola tuyogira bwote.
Kati nkugambe kikuba wali wakava mu ssomero. In fact wali okyasoma. Nengo oli mu vacation. Kuba kati tumanyi nti wali muwala alabika obulungi. Nga buli omu tuboba omutuukiriddaga mu mwana ono kwesikoza this chance.
Anedda. Etusaati funa.
Twakifunako. Okay. NBS, NRG, Galaxy Radio, otudde olowoozezza what to do, ogenda kukolera ki?
Nakutwala After 5.
Otwala After 5?
Nakutwala After 5 ne next radio. Yeah, for my own personal reasons that I won't utter out. That
no resigning.
Yes.
Go wa resigning oba bo bakutabuti.
Nze nagamba ntitadde. Nenkola ki? Nenchitera.
Okay.
Then, but I still have a connection
in
with
that
them.
period.
Walinti, banage, no, it doesn't stop about because if it's not them, singa simani kola radio. The banjigiriza radio yange, like they started my radio journey, and I'm super grateful. And when doing a radio station, international, I'll still mention. Right now, next radio, I went at day. I'm still grateful. Yes, like. You're
grateful.
Yeah, very grateful. Ntineku NTV, they're the ones that started my TV career. Because singa Idris Teyampa screen testing years nenkola dakika 5. Singa sinze Viana gomulaba.
So in that period wakoleranga biki abantu batandise okutegeera cause wakola gigs ez'amaanyi cause mu ngambi de wakola biki to an extent batuse NBS saze okugamba nti munamanyi katugenda kugata ku mugendo gwa
after
5 ogwinganeko ne bana abalenzi ab'amaanyi abanene mu industry.
No, but before actually like officially putting me in after 5, the days the boys were not around or even Sheila, I would be like a backup.
By then Sheila yali akyaliwo.
Yes. Nga nkola sittings nti baba tebaliyo oba mukubotaliwo, I would always do like a sitting. Yeah, so those are natural bali I'm building for the best. I don't know. The
so,
next thing,
Viana tunuulire bino ebintu bibiri. Ofuse presenter ku TV ey'amaanyi. Ate nga n'abantu b'okola nabo bana ababiri, most especially Douglas and MC Katz. Sajja b'amaanyi.
Bonna bana b'amaanyi.
DJ Roger, DJ Masi. Ki kyakugira mu bwongo ogamba cause okopinga otya amangu abo like n'okopinga nabo n'ogamba naye kati muli ku ground emu n'okwatagana nabo.
I've asked me that question of how, like, because it was easy for me to blend in. Like, even my first shows, you could literally see it. But I think before like I officially joined, I made a rapport with them, like a connection of ntinemba sanga kwajuke NBS nene. Kati bomusanga ko muokwe ngomugamba ko hi. Omuntu ndoza gwe nali nsitera kulaba yali MC Katz. But Douglas na meeting of the very first day Rina Kolachi. Like we know bye bandeta sitting. We batyo. Then Roger naye when I'm like ngabo musanga ngamba oh hi what and Roger tuna meeting and I their shows amitoze batango bali tako for TikTok edition. That is when I met Roger. Then Nemasi Katz naye yanda kushona ngamba oh how are you what they're actually very nice people.
It wasn't hard for you kubanga kupinga nabo bulungi.
Not hard at all. It wasn't hard at all. It was the easiest thing anyone could think of. I swear on the living.
Because ndaba omuntu yandegambye nti since you're a newcomer in that system kigenda kubeerera kizibu like okutambula nabo.
No, like I said, I'm the vibe queen. No, not like I'm trying to brag or something, but I'm such a vibe. Like so many people have told me, I meet someone for the very first time and I make them feel at home. Like she obanga mbentia like nabo bantu bangu bakolegana nabo
actually
like
yes.
My big brothers. So it's easier because whenever I'm stuck I call Douglas all the time, I call Roger all the time, I call Mercy, like Katz, but nah. Nti wecha ngamba man kan kagane ngamba bane papa wange Douglas kamukozeko kanu koze ntya ndagamba atukolewe bati.
So bakuteka mu replacement ya Sheila Gashumba.
Yeah, it's not like a replacement. Hey. When you make it sound like that, she quit and then I joined. It's not like a replacement.
No labanga mbutufu mbigere byo fitting.
It's not. I can never fit in her shoes because that's Sheila Gashumba. She's such a big brand. I can never fit in her shoes, but I just came into a space that was open and took it over. It was an open space. oli asigala Sheila sigala ngattoze njira nange byana endi they will still stay my shoes ekyo tubagamba mbo totula mu ngatto z'oli but you just try to be you n'okikola mu ngeri eri different because we are totally different people.
True.
Yeah.
The same applies to Zahara Toto, to that side of radio.
Yeah, I can never fit in Zahara's shoes because that's Zahara. She's built her name. She's been here for the longest time. But I just did what I was supposed to do to be me and bring myself out there. Same thing with Sheila. I can never fit in her shoes. That's Sheila Gashumba. But I just try to be me as Rihanna.
Ojoyinize NBS after 5. Ochikubye. Nakati wano woli. Kiri kitya?
I could say it's a beautiful journey. Era mukama nsaba akwongereko. Yeah. Tukyagenda mpola maaso. Yeah. Tetuna, like, I'm grateful for where I am, but tetuna tuka wali wetwagala, but still tubirabayo.
Okay. Bien tutunulira kino ekintu ky'okubeera nti oli presenter, MC, the same time tukulaba nti ojja no MCinga n'oteekawo ekyenjawulo. Idea ne gyetya n'ogamba nti munnaye kanti MCinga omuntu okubozi gye balinga ya MCinga bwe MCinzi nenga okuzina kizibu. Yes.
Na okuzina sikwabulyo.
Anti kyenjagala kyembuuza nti.
Me, like, okuza imabega, I told you, I was a dancer before. I used to dance in church. I used to dance at school. At home, I was the queen dancer. Even that, because me and my little sister and my brother, we had a group, Twitanga Little Stars, Natuzina. So I was a dancer before. Holding the mic wasn't my first time. That's why in the baddest Sagitia, just in church and cola. But yeah, so Okuchi incorporating with my MCing, I realized all the MCs, nobody but Johnny were hyping up. But
nate go wakisussa banne go wajja ate n'okisussa
nanti kati nze nayagala nkole njagala nnyo okukola ekintu nga it's me saagala beera mulala nti oli nedda njagala still nsigale nga nze Rihanna. So I can dance and I can hype. Why don't I give people an experience? Mulime kubeera nga you just come n'ompulira buulizi ddoboozi. How about omuyimbi waba asobola ozina naayimba nze lwaki sisobola kuzina nenkuhyping okitegeera like lwaki basobola kikola ngamba anyways let me do this because I can do it.
And when you look at
ngamba you know what when gattako badansa ate kati mba nti kiba kirala
ati kyenkugambe nti
the ideas naye nange sijjukira gye nazijja naye nekaga
because when we look at
actually for the idea of dancing Wuchamp yajja on one of the nights I was working at netuzina fenna katutwazina fenna nebinyuma koze ekitegeeza bwe nkola bino ebintu bisobola onnyumira dda nemaneta nikongamba you know what everywhere I go mbadde njagala tugende fenna kati genda abantu people actually welcoming it like every time you see Rihanna you see Wuchamp naleeta nemikono gwe Afro Jazz netubula kati nga tugenda nko basatu ku stage like nga abantu bibanyumira koze no idea ne like ejakolera ddala let me keep it nibula abantu abatandise adapting ngamba it's okay Kastanze original. Then ningatako kati the culture. I'm not dancing with the culture. Wuchamp. Now it's like a whole big team, and I can still give you a whole experience.
Kati oli bw'aba akwagalira okupangisa nti ayina ku gig gy'akuyiseeko. You go with your dancers.
It depends. Because red cards are njawulo. If it's corporate MCing, because usually corporate MCing it's just me talking to the people, interacting with the people. That's a different. Because tubeera just interactions, vibes eziberamu tezibanga ziri za concert nti concert kati bannange no. But then bw'oba oyagala ne gundi y'abadansa we can still talk nenkuwa because nabo branding ndala ebyawo
kino kyaleeta ekyenjawulo mu MC life tugambe nti challenges ba MC zeba kuba mu kuteekawo n'oleetawo that gundi gye waleetawo tekirowoozesa abantu balala nti baali tebakoze kimala challenges okubanti waliwo bataddeko embeera.
Actually I remember that time when I used to like do it I saw certain tweets I won't say the names but they were saying what MC oba bakusasudde ku MCinga tosobola kuzina. I'm like, if you can't do it, just shut up. Like, it's okay. It's okay not to say something you don't know. Like, the world has changed. The world is evolving. You see, even DJs are dancing. Why can I not dance?
Okay.
You understand? It's see what you do. Like, everyone, me, I believe in originality and being you. Bobanga okuba sama, kwe kujja okuyisaawo, bambi gikube.
Yeah. Nena olaba wateekawo ekyenjawulo mu.
Yes, and I like it. And I love the fact that so many girls are now coming out and doing what I'm doing. It's beautiful.
Nenga, go original.
Yeah, original.
Go original copy.
Yes, original copy. Techigana. Me, I have no problem. Someone picking a leaf from what I've done.
Okay.
That shows I've created an impact. Yeah.
So by then we saw with likes of Evelyn Mike's, by then bebaliwo neno jano batwalako akatino kabatwalako.
Sitwalanko katika muntu.
Nteme lwaliso akatino jano katwala no gamba everywhere ya Vianney, everywhere Vianney, everywhere Vianney. Concerts hizo nazo events ezamani nga Vianney.
Ibra. Ibra.
Like on a serious note.
On a serious note, sitwalanko katika muntu. I believe in timing. God is if it's your time, it's your time. And nabo bali bakola chemanyi, but I've never taken anyone's kati. Era buli omu akola, ne buli omu akola. Kubanga omuntu kubolaba ekiwomera mu matama abiri, tekiwomera kati Ibra goyinza okuwola ifaani wange. Nengo limula ajja kugamba, Vianney tankolera.
Anti ze Vianney wakola ekintu ekyo. I was like, omwana ono alese ekyenjawulo, being an MC, alese ekyenjawulo, nenga ba Evelyn Mike babaddewo. I'm not here to okumugamba
no, but they've done great. They do well, actually.
Yeah, Evelyn Mike also akola bulungi, era naye eddoboozi lye ddungi nnyo bw'aba ali on mic. Naye wakisussaamu nnyo n'ogamba ntuga bannange. Kuba buli gigi twatulabanga buli gigi gw'oliko, gigi ate ez'amaanyi nga tulaba gw'oliko.
Such a comer. Such a comer.
But anyway.
But yeah, respect. I actually love to see more female MCs coming out. Like, it would be nice, beautiful to see so many MCs come out.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not just Vianney, it's not just Evelyn. I can see, like, I've seen so many come out. I've seen Unique MC, she's doing amazing. Who else have I seen? Is it Tyra? She's doing beautiful. Like, just love to see more of them come up. But just be you.
So tukulaba ku stage obozze ne ba dancers bo twa amazina magazina gabera so uniform mufunamu akadaga like you guys them practicing how to do it on stage. Bagwe ngabo tuganye to vibe queen olabirawo.
Kati nga wenagambye, honestly speaking, the kind of work I do, it's very hard for me to do rehearsals. Agala nimbe. But like nga wenagambye, I'm a dancer. A true dancer, you don't need to do so many rehearsals. You can actually just look at people dancing and you learn, or probably do like 1, 2, 3 no quarter. Kati yaunze, in most cases, singer dances just about TikTok and zonda about TikTok dance nizo obutajizina but ndimujigira mu mutwe gwange because I'm a dancer. But then zoba zina dance move I can simani just connection. No, I built a connection with them. Until when you find me with Witchamp and Afro Jazz, there is that connection. The culture, still that connection. Ndikatize sobolomanya simani nange, but it's just a connection between Yeah, gira nete tukola rehearsal. Like Boba kola rehearsal, na nze kola rehearsal.
Okay. Tutunulire cha fashion ngoli ku stage. Because they've said ebintu akola ngo annange. Ngojjayo buli busomino. Ndonga bagande Vianney this time round ajidde dala. She's totally naked.
No, but I've never worn an outfit.
Ngoyambala buno bugundi obukoma muno. Abandi bagamba naye.
No. There's some rango outfit and totally naked. But fashion-wise, but fashion-wise, I love fashion, and that is something I breathe. I see mine in fashion, like I love, like njagala nnyo okulabika obulungi. I always go for styles I know people can't go for because versatile. That's why I love bad girl Rihanna. Rihanna is such an icon. Yeah, but she does, yeah. So fashion, I didn't go in just fashion.
Sikulabangako mu ngoye empanvu.
Nkati bano nyamba.
Zino wakajja otandika zambala zino empale bino bibagi.
Bibagi kuvadanga nyambala empale ne. No, like agwe kale nzate ku fashion. Engeri gye nyambadde ku stage, it depends on my moods. Kati bwenkera ku machanga bane leero njagala kwambala nga bw'obuyise busompino.
Busompino.
Nja kwambala sompino. Bwenkera ku machanga njagala kwambala bagi. Nja kwambala bagi because I'm all about fashion and trends. Yeah. Moods gye nzukiddemu gye nyambala.
Gy'ogamba nteekateeka ngende na kino. Byene akasente kituufu kati okakoze. Akasente okakoze mu bbanga ettono mu myaka emitono. Emmotoka kati emmotoka gy'ovuga bannange. Kuba kati ebintu ebyo. Kuba kati listen. Kuba kati ebintu ebyo biraba. Ebyetaagamu omuntu. Oba munnaye oli muntu w'abantu bonna oba komune n'abayimbi bano. Are you dating someone oba?
Ibra.
Are you seeing someone? But this is the right time for you. Because are you seeing someone? Are you dating?
No, honest truth is.
No,
honest truth is, no, it's not like I'm not dating. I'm human. No, but it's not like I'm not dating. Let's skip that question. But I'm very single, actually. Mbalaba. Naye abasajja mlibaye.
Oli mu kampu y'abasajja abayimbi tebanakusumbuwako. Beside ebyo kuba muno tulira bana bayimbi.
Sagala bayimbi.
Oyagala baani?
Olandeka Ibra. I'm very single.
Then how old are you?
I'm 23 years old.
Yeah?
I'm 23 years old.
You're 20 to 23?
23. Nakataninga 23 recently.
Yeah, bintu by'abasajja olina okubanga at least obimanyi obinamu experience. Are you virgin?
I'm kidding, I'm not.
You're not?
I'm a grown up, but gombuza bino ebibuzo dadi wange agenda biraba ne mami wange. I broke up with my boyfriend.
You broke up?
Yeah, so right now I'm single.
Chichali.
Tatuja again, but I broke up.
Chikutu tekale banga.
Not so long, but yeah.
Kati obeera wo.
Because
you're this kind of woman.
Yeah, no, I'm working.
On your body. Omukyala alabika obulungi. Omwami bw'akukyawa. Okulirawo replacement.
No, we move on. When we move on, we focus on ourselves now.
Kati oliawo atalina ayina.
Ndi wano. Sina agamba.
Toyina agamba. So wabaayo omuntu eyo nga yandikwetaaze.
Nedda siri kubanoonya.
Is he ready?
Ibrahim si banoonya. No show si yabanoonya.
Oli public figure.
No show si yabanoonya.
Oli famous.
No show si yabanoonya. Singa naze kubanoonya wandingambye akwagala yandikoze atya naye si ero show.
Ate munnaye oli ayinza okungana nga waayina. Alabika vyani ku page yo.
Sinoonya.
Naye ng'ebintu by'omukwano byakutambulira bulungi emabega kaawo.
Yes, I'm not complaining. Chichi, I'm not complaining.
Omwana ono. Kale, sijja genda nnyo into details ebintu by'omukwano ebyo.
Tubiveeko twogere ku Viana Indi.
Okay. Tulina we twaliko nga tubalaba mwali on set, you Fifa Maker, Douglas Ranga, MC Katsi, Masi. Novaako entabo ya MC Katsi okuva ku set n'agenda. Omuntu ayagala okumanya nnyo, ayagala okumanya. Ki ekyaleetera MC Katsi okuva ku set okugenda?
First of all, that was a prank. We were doing it for Fool's Day. Then number
Make your
two,
pardon?
it was a prank. We're doing it for Fool's Day. Then number two, musime MC Cuts bannange.
Wanyinyabo. Ogera tusimise MC Cuts
Tuveeyo.
wampaka.
MC Cuts nkwagala nnyo ekimanyi ekyo maji. Yeah. Byebyo byange.
So tumusiime.
Mumusiime.
Tumu appreciating nga
Yeah.
akyali mulamu. Kiwagala
Sagala twejjuse nga, you know, things happen. Yeah. Because he's really put a very big stone in this industry. So I'm about appreciating. Then I'm like, at times, Alaba, this should be like for everybody out there. If you're helping someone, don't help with hopes or expectations of getting something back. Just help because you've helped. And don't even think about it. Don't even think twice about it. But if you're helping someone because of gamba unaja kunyamba, it doesn't make sense. Bamba Ibrahim kuyambi nonkubira ngamba banange sinkira ekyabiri. What? I'm not helping you because Ibrahim nanga agena kunsa. No. I do it because nchikoze mutima mulungi. Boba you as Ibra or yagala kunsima, you will do it. Go yagadde. So singa nkukase. So
era n'agamba weba n'agamba bwemutandika emboozi ezo
nkugambye yali prank
bimujjukiza ebintu bingi nnyo.
because ayambye bangi but no one has come out to manyi abantu we were all born differently. Nimoli nga ibo muyamba agamba gwamanyi sinze yakusaba onyambe. Then the others nga ibo muyamba agamba one day one time I'll pay you back.
MC Cuts abadde mu industry for so long. Goza bandi badi bamu appreciating batya. Chenkana chi.
I think what he's done is priceless. Honestly speaking, he's helped so many artists. Never money, never simanyi. Na ye chetuyinza okukola is I really like. I don't know what would like suit him, but what we engage to oba tumukolera show netusonda sente zonna ezivamu netuzimuwa. Like you do like an all-star show or all-star concert. We charge people entrance. We just come. All these artists bayambye bonna ne bajja ne bayimba. Sente zonna ezivamu netugamba MC Cuts. This is your money. We just want to appreciate you. That would definitely work.
Omanyi musajja anyiga mangu.
No, si bwatyo. He's actually a very nice guy.
Amumanyi nange naye munna.
Bw'omutegeera ku personal level, he's a very nice guy.
Nti manyi akantu ako we mwakakola. Bantu bayogera.
Abantu bwe
tugerako mu comment section oli n'agamba MC Cuts industry naginako kitundutundu kyenkana ki.
Bannange tuveeyo wa MC Cuts but mwagala nnyo.
Omwana Vian.
MC Cuts mwagala nnyo. Kyali wange. Saagala nnyo kwogera ku mikwano gyange.
Tuyagala nnyo kwogera mikwano gyo. Entalo zino entalo ezibeeramu abawala n'abawala by'emirimu. Byakutuukako byali bikutuseeko.
Sina budde. Era yo bayampana naye walana.
Tebikutuukangako.
Sina budde like gambi. Me, I don't hate nobody. I don't beef nobody. Because we are different people. Okitegeera? Kati nze sina budde bukubiifinga. Kati obudde obudda mugambo yo Ibra. I have things to do. Nina bingi bye njagala okutuukiriza mu bulamu bye sinaba kutuukiriza. And why are we rushed batufuna n'obudde obw'ebeefing instead of supporting each other rushed tudda mu kwewalana. Mu kifo kye nandigambye kati Ibra oleka onsingako wano. Kati bw'onkola ntya bwe bati ne bwe bati. Ekyo kiyamba than
okubeefinga.
Okudda ate tebi making a sense.
Nendowooza fonna byofunye obifunye. Totoma. According to nzija gye wajjamu mu ndongo.
I could say is I'm grateful. Era like sijagamba nti bannange. But there's somewhere I want to be and I'm looking forward to go there, but I'm grateful.
Muyimbi kigogamba muyimbi kigotunula mbayimbi bonna wali okwataganyemuko nabo bogamba nti ono ekintu kyenkola siri kyerabira bino bitubeera n'omugamba mune tugenda kukola bwetine oba n'atajja oba n'akudisappointing.
Actually, I've never had that. All artists have been really good to me.
Oluyimba
no sibabikkirira but nze tewali artist n'omu gwe nali mpise ku show yange n'atajja. They all show up. They all show up. tewali n'omu gwe naafunye embuzibu.
Okay.
Tewali.
Kale. Last remarks tumalirize.
Last remarks, this goes out to my young people, my fellow young people, is try to be you, love yourself, and like this world is too big for us. The bread is too big for us. We can all have a piece. Like okwewalana kola chi bina tebigasa. Just gwe bolaba munno nga ina kyakola nga nawe wandiga tochikola. Mwebuze ko than muwala no bona. Like because me, I always reach out to Itanya. Itanya, you've done this. I reach out to Sheila Gashumba because I know these guys have been like in the industry for the longest time. Like I tried to Miss Lida and I'm always on her case. She'll even tell you that. Like okuda mkuwala n'omuntu tekigasa, but rather pick a leaf. Nuba tosobola kwogera naye direct, see what they do. Like oboshitegera simanyi oboshitegera kingamba. But at the end of the day, the sky is the limit. If there's anything you want to be, you want to do, chikole. The world is open for it and they're willing to receive you.
Kale mukwana tweyanza nnyo tweyanze.
Nange mbagala